Okay, so here is my Excel sheet regarding pivot table. So here's my data. I have some more data over here on April data. Okay, so I went ahead and created a pivot table so that I can see the average patient start and the average patient end. And then it also generated a chart to give it, some visual here, make it a bit easier to look at. And then we have the sum of that information, the sum of patient start, sum of patients per nurse, to show, how many patients are being assisted and by how many nurses. So that's my pivot table. Hi, sorry for being a little late with submitting the video. I forgot about this. So here's my pivot table, my pivot chart. I have my raw data under April data, April table. I have my pivot table here, which I thought that a graph would be the best way to look at it. So if you click on here, you can see that I selected the elements for my chart. And then up here we have the average patient start and average patient end. So that information was pulled from the data from April data and April table. And then here I have another pivot table which shows sum of patient start and per nurse. So just some more information. We have our filters here. We don't really want to see the weekend, so that's why that was removed. And then we have our grand totals for the 5-day work week, Monday through Friday. Obviously, nurses are heroes, so they're working 24/7. I don't know how accurate this is, but that is my pivot table.